Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now we are going to discuss some examples and practice now 6. Now here in this example we can see a diagram which has 5 sides. One side, second, third, 4 and 5 sides. So first we have to find out what will be the sum of interior angle of this diagram. Because it has 5 sides, so we call it a pentagon. So first we have to find what will be the sum of interior angle of this diagram. So I use the same formula to find out the sum of interior angle of this diagram, which is known as pentagon. So the formula is n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, right? Now basically we have number of sides equal to 5, so by substituting n is equal to 5, so 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, so we get 3 multiplied by 180 degree, so the value is 3 multiplied by 180, so which gives us result 540. Now we have found the sum of interior angle of this polygon. Now we have to find out the value of A. What is the value of A here? So we have to find out what is the value of A. So what we do now, because we know that sum of all those angles, there is one interior angle here, there is a second interior angle here, this is the third one, fourth one and fifth one. So we add all these interior angle, so we can find the value of A by adding them. Their result must be equal to 540. So how do I do this? 93 degree plus 142 degree plus 48 degree plus 133 degree, right, and plus 2a degree, which must be equal to 540, right? So I have to add all those angles, which gives us the result, that is 2a is equal to 124 degree. We have to find out the value of A, so we divide both sides, we divide the equation by 2 both sides, so we get the value of A is equal to, which is 62 degree. So this is the example I have solved. Now I am going to practice now 6 questions. Here you can see some practice now question here. Now because first we have to find out how many sides this diagram has. This is one side, second, third, 4, 5. So it is a pentagon again. As we have discussed above, the sum of interior angle of this pentagon is 540. So what should I write now? I should write now, this becomes A plus A, this becomes 2A plus 107 degree, again we have 3A, so we call it 3A, not 2, because we have 3A. So we say that 3A plus 107 plus 121 degree, which is equal to 180. So we can find out the value of A from here. So 180 minus 107 minus 121, which is equal to sorry, I have to write here 540 because sum of 540, because it is a pentagon, so 540. So 540 minus 107 minus 121, which is equal to 312. So here we have 312 degree. So we divided by 3. 312 divided by 3. What is the answer? The answer is 312 divided by 3. The answer is 104. So what is the value of A here? Right? So the value of A is equal to 104. This is the practice now 6. You can solve similarly question number 2.